Are you over 60 and feeling weaker than last year? Every day without enough protein, your muscles are quietly shrinking. Climbing stairs, carrying groceries, even standing up can feel harder. Your strength may be slipping faster than you realize. If you watch this video until the end, you'll discover the safest, most effective ways to keep your muscles strong and energized. If you stop now, you might miss the key foods, supplements, and simple exercises that can make a real difference. Muscle loss problem plus immediate safe solutions after 60 muscles start shrinking more than most people realize. This is a natural part of aging, but it can make everyday activities feel harder. Climbing stairs, lifting groceries, even standing up from a chair can become challenging. Some adults notice it as fatigue in the legs. Others feel weaker in the arms when opening jars or carrying shopping bags. This slow loss of strength is called sarcopenia. Research by the National Institute on Aging 2023 shows that adults over 60 who don't get enough protein lose muscle mass faster. Take good news. You can slow this process safely with the right foods, supplements, and gentle exercises. Vegetables rich in protein and muscle-supporting nutrients. Broccoli, full of protein and vitamin C. Spinach, supports muscle repair and energy. Green peas, high in plant protein and fiber. Kale, packed with calcium for muscle and bone health. Brussels sprouts, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Fruits that reduce inflammation and support recovery. Blueberries, antioxidants protect muscles from damaged. Strawberries, vitamin C aids repair. Oranges support collagen and connective tissue. Kiwi, rich in vitamin C and potassium. Cherries help reduce post-exercise soreness. Non-harmful supplements for dietary gaps. Whey protein powder, easy to digest, supports muscle repair. Pea protein powder, plant. Complete amino acids. Vitamin D3 supports muscle strength and bone health. Calcium maintains strong muscles and bones. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon or flaxseed help reduce inflammation. Small daily actions matter. Eat protein every 3 to 4 hours to give your muscles a steady supply of nutrients. Hydrate well. Muscles lose elasticity when dehydrated. Combine meals with light resistance exercises. Chair squats strengthens legs. Wall push-ups supports arms and chest. Light dumbbell lifts maintain shoulder and arm strength. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference in a few weeks. Many adults report feeling stronger, moving more comfortably, and noticing less fatigue. And always consult your doctor before starting new supplements or exercises. By addressing muscle loss daily with protein-rich vegetables, fruits, safe supplements, and simple exercise, adults over 60 can maintain strength, feel more energized, and reduce the risk of falls. Research from the National Institute on Aging 2023 confirms that combining protein-rich meals with light resistance exercises preserves muscle mass in older adults. Why eggs alone aren't enough? And best alternatives? Many adults over 60 rely on eggs as their main protein source. Eggs are healthy, but they don't provide all the nutrients your muscles need as you age. Research by the National Institute on Aging in 2022 shows that relying on a single protein source can leave muscles without essential amino acids. Without variety, muscle repair slows, fatigue increases, and weakness can develop over time. So, what are the best alternatives? Protein-rich vegetables you can add daily. Lentils, high in plant protein and fiber. Chickpeas help repair muscles and support energy. Edamame, complete plant protein for muscle maintenance. Spinach, vitamins and minerals that support muscle function. Broccoli supports both protein and antioxidant intake. Fruits that support muscle health and reduce inflammation. Blueberries, antioxidants protect muscles. Raspberries, vitamin C helps repair. Oranges support connective tissue. Kiwi, potassium for muscle function. Pomegranate supports recovery and reduces inflammation. Safe, non-harmful protein supplements. Whey protein powder, easy to digest, muscle-friendly. Pea protein powder, complete amino acids. Soy protein isolate Supports muscle maintenance, omega-3, fatty acids from salmon, flaxseed, or chia seeds. Vitamin D3 supports muscle strength and bone health. Mixing these with eggs gives your muscles a complete range of amino acids. Try to include different sources at every meal for better absorption and repair. Example: daily combination: breakfast, 1 boiled egg plus smoothie with berries, plus scoop of pea protein. Lunch, lentil soup plus steamed broccoli plus small portion of salmon. Snack: Greek yogurt plus pomegranate. Dinner: chickpea salad plus spinach plus flaxseed oil. Drizzle. According to the National Library of Medicine (NIH) 2021, adults who consume diverse protein sources maintain higher muscle mass and strength than those relying only on eggs or meat. Remember, balance is key. Too much of one protein source doesn't help. Spread intake evenly throughout the day and pair meals with light resistance exercises. Chair squats strengthens legs, wall push-ups supports arms and chest. Light dumbbell lifts maintains shoulder and arm strength. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Adults over 60 who diversify protein sources feel stronger, reduce fatigue, and improve daily function naturally. This approach is safe, practical, and supported by research from the National Institute on Aging and NIH. Protein timing plus simple exercises. Eating protein isn't enough. Timing and consistency are just as important. Research by the National Institute on Aging 2023 shows that adults over 60 who spread protein intake throughout the day maintain more muscle mass than those who eat it all in one meal. Even a well-planned breakfast or dinner isn't enough if the rest of the day is low in protein. Practical ways to time protein effectively: breakfast, smoothie with Greek yogurt, blueberries, and chia seeds, 1 boiled egg plus sautéed. Spinach oatmeal with milk and walnuts. Lunch, lentil or chickpea soup, steamed broccoli or kale, grilled salmon or tofu. Snacks: Greek yogurt with pomegranate, cottage cheese plus sliced kiwi protein shake with pea protein. Dinner: chickpea salad with spinach, tomatoes, and olive oil, baked cod or chicken breast, steamed vegetables like Brussels sprouts or peas. Pairing meals with light resistance exercises helps muscles absorb nutrients and repair more efficiently. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. Simple exercises for beginners: chair squat strengthens legs and core. Wall push-ups supports arms and chest. Light dumbbell lifts maintains shoulder and arm strength. Seated leg lifts improves lower leg and hip strength. Extra tips for better results: keep meals colorful. Different colors mean different nutrients. Use herbs and spices for flavor without adding extra sodium. Pre-planned meals to avoid skipping protein. Track intake. Write it down or use an app to ensure you hit your protein goals. Research from the National Library of Medicine (NIH) 2022 confirms that adults over 60 who combine proper protein intake with light resistance exercises maintain more muscle mass, strength, and mobility than those who don't. Even small, consistent daily actions can prevent long-term weakness. Mobility: eat enough protein and exercise safely. Over time, muscles feel firmer, strength improves, and daily tasks become easier. Many adults notice results within a few weeks: more energy, less fatigue, and greater independence. And always consult your doctor before starting new exercises or supplements to ensure safety. How much protein you actually need plus supplements. Many adults over 60 wonder, how much protein is enough to keep muscles strong? Research by the National Institute on Aging (NIH) 2023 shows that adults over 60 need about 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. For example, someone weighing 70 kilograms should aim for 84 to 105 grams of protein daily. Practical ways to reach this goal safely: breakfast. Protein sources: 1 boiled egg 6 grams, Greek yogurt 15 grams per cup. Smoothie with pea protein powder 20 grams. Lunch. Protein sources: lentil soup 18 grams per cup, grilled salmon 22 grams per 100 grams steamed. Broccoli 4 grams per cup. Snacks cottage cheese 14 grams per half cup. Almonds 6 grams per small handful. Protein shake with whey protein 20 grams. Dinner protein sources: chicken breast 26 grams per 100 grams. Chickpea salad 15 grams per cup. Steamed peas or kale 4 to 5 grams per cup. Safe supplements to fill gaps. Whey protein powder, FDA approved. Easy to digest pea protein powder. Plant-based complete protein vitamin. D3 supports muscles and bones. Calcium helps maintain strong muscles. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, flaxseed, or chia seeds. Tips for maximum benefit: spread protein evenly across all meals. Avoid taking all protein at once. Smaller portions are absorbed better. Pair protein intake with light resistance exercises daily. Even 10 to 15 minutes of chair squats, wall push-ups, or light dumbbell lifts can improve strength and mobility. How do you know if you're not getting enough protein? Muscle weakness, fatigue, or slower recovery difficulty, standing or climbing stairs. Research by the NIH 2023 shows adults with insufficient protein can lose 3 to 5% of muscle mass each decade after 60. Safe solutions: protein-rich vegetables, broccoli, spinach, green peas, kale, Brussels sprouts, fruits that aid recovery, blueberries, strawberries, oranges, kiwi, cherries. Safe supplements: whey protein powder, pea protein powder, vitamin D, 3 calcium, omega-3 fatty acids. Eat protein at every meal. Spread throughout the day and combine with light resistance exercises. Research from the National Library of Medicine, NI 2022 confirms that adults over 60 who do this maintain muscle mass, strength, and mobility more effectively than those who wait or rely on one source. Small, consistent daily actions make a big difference in preserving strength and independence. Now you know the truth. After 60, your muscles won't maintain themselves. Protein variety, timing, and safe supplements are key. Pair them with light resistance exercises, and you can stay strong, independent, and energized. Small, consistent daily actions make a huge difference over time. Plan meals with a mix of protein-rich vegetables, fruits, and safe supplements. Include light exercises daily. Even 10 to 15 minutes is enough to keep muscles active and prevent weakness. Spread protein throughout the day and pair it with gentle resistance moves for maximum benefit. This video is for educational purposes only. It does not replace personalized medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting new diets, supplements, or exercise routines. Individual needs may vary. Take action today. Plan protein-rich meals daily. Include vegetables and fruits at every meal. Add safe supplements if needed. After talking to your doctor, perform light resistance exercises 10 to 15 minutes each day. Track progress and stay consistent. Consistency is your superpower. Follow these steps daily, and you can slow muscle loss, reduce fatigue, maintain independence, and feel stronger. If you found this video helpful, like and save it for your routine, subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast, and hit the bell icon. Comment your favorite protein source. Watch our other videos for more tips for adults over 60. Your muscles depend on action, not just information. Start today. Small steps every day create lasting strength and energy. Remember, it's never too late to give your muscles the support they need.